Hi guys, welcome to a train spotting video at Liverpool South Parkway. Only here for a limited amount of time. Obviously I went to Wigan North Western this morning. Only here for a limited amount of time, so we have to make use of the time we've got and the things we see. There is going to be an Avanti, Transpennine, London North Western Railway. We're starting with East Midlands. There's loads of stuff to see. So even though we're only here for a limited amount of time, we're still going to see plenty. I will keep the clip rolling as this East Midlands is ready to depart. By those things. Right, it goes. Subscribe, enjoy this video. Right, talking about making use of what we have. Missing a London North Western Railway is not the best start for E5232. Missing a London North Western Railway is not how you want to make use of your time. Oh, he's stopping right at the end. How am I going to get a beat? Oh no, I can. Now over the years, Liverpool South Parkway has been known as the station of zero beeps. Not Liverpool Parkway, London North Western Railway. London North Western Railway has been known as the ones who have. I've literally filmed about 200 to 300 of these trains, and only about 2 or 3 have beeped over time. That's including arrivals and departures. 150 in total. About 300 movements, 0 beeps. Whether that's Stafford, so about 100 of them, non-beeped. So yeah, prove me wrong. This company is literally where my failures are. My failures belong with this company, so I'll leave it rolling. It is just a nice station. I missed a Navarro. Please don't. We already shot a Navarro earlier at Wigan, but yeah, we missed a Navarro. Feels so sad to say, but sometimes in life stuff happens. This driver was really making fun out of me here. This company, literally, stand here all day, you will not get one. We've got another one coming while I'm here. This company genuinely will never be here. I give up trying. One at Crew gave me like the smallest whistle ever. Don't know what the manager's telling me. 195132. Didn't know it was that cold that you need to wear a hat in this weather. It is 11 degrees. Never knew trains leave a minute early, but whatever. Don't think that driver understands like wearing a hat is a bit weird in 11 degrees, but like, yeah. Well, he's quite slow, but he'd be pathetic if he didn't. Come on. Off goes 197006. London North Western Railway, what can you give us? Wave on the way in, obviously. This drive's giving you a wave on these is like the end. It's like as far away as it gets. Not even waving, how's he gonna do? He's probably gonna go further to the end now on purpose. Right, come on driver. End the video happily.